Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies for you ngayong third quarter ng 2025. So that's July, August, September. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So let's see Leo, third quarter ng 2025. What is the energy? Third quarter, 2025. Praying Mantis. Ang Praying Mantis is about meditation. So I think itong third quarter for you is going to be spiritual and a peaceful life para sa'yo. So pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening. Some of you are also nagkakaroon ng internal wisdom, no? Maaring mas kalmado ka ngayong third quarter. You will focus more on your center. Maaring may mga gagawin kang activities that will focus on your health, especially spiritual health. Maaring you will be involved in yoga, meditation, anything nagbibigay sa iyo ng calmness, no? Stillness. Ayan. And also, some of you meron kayong seseryosohin na ima-manifest ngayong third quarter. Can be anything, no? Minsan kasi gusto natin mag-manifest pero hindi tayo nagiging consistent doon sa nire-require ng manifestation na yon. But I feel like for you, ngayong third quarter, mas focus kayo dun sa manifestation ninyo and you will make sure na ginagawa nyo yung nire-require ng manifestation na yon, which is about taking action and visualizing and feeling na nasa yun na yung minamanifest mo. You also have flying fish. So flying fish, this is blessings. And also, taking risks. So yung iba sa inyo, maglalakas loob kayo na sumubok ng bago. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi pa kayo aware or familiar, no? Pero nandoon yung interest nyo. This can be anything, like a new career, a new business, a new relationship. So, you will try new things. Maaring iba sa inyo, you will go out of your comfort zone. Meron ka mga... Kasi this is like a leap of faith no? So, medyo magiging adventurous ka. You will go on an adventure in trying new things, experiencing new things. Peacock. Peacock is about showing what you have, like showing yung iyong skills, yung talents mo. This is also about transmutation, being aware. Kumbaga aware ka sa galing mo, sa talento mo. So nandun yung confidence mo. 'Di ba? Nandun yung confidence mo about your abilities. And also, freedom din to kalayaan na magawa yung mga bagay na gusto nyo sa buhay. So, maaring wala na yung limitasyon ninyo. You are now free to do the things that you want to do. Let's see what else. Third quarter ng mga Leo. July, August, September. July, August, September. You have the Knight of Pentacles. This is setting new intentions pagdating sa career, sa business ninyo. And ito yung mas kalmadong energy for you na wala kayong minamadali. You are willing to undergo the process. So this can be the process of starting a new business, starting a new career, a new job. Maari ding may investment. Papasok ka sa isang investment na hindi mo mamadaliin na makuha agad yung iyong yung return ng investment mo. You are willing to learn. Yun yung importante dyan. You have the Six of Swords. Going to a new direction. Mas kalmado, mas tahimik. So yung iba, pwedeng paglilipat ng trabaho. Let's say, nanggaling ka sa isang toxic na work, yung toxic yung environment, maraming drama, maraming issue, stressful. Proseso yan July, August, September. Yan yung transition period ninyo na pumupunta ka sa bagong direction na kung saan mas magiging masaya ka, mas payapa, mas maayos yung situation mo. You have the Three of Cups. So this is happiness. This is celebration. So I feel like meron kang isa-celebrate na accomplishment sa third quarter ng 2025. You will also gain new friends, new connections na tutulong rin sa'yo in growing your career, your business, your finances. So if you're single, maaring you will go out of your way, mas magso-socialize ka. You will meet new friends. Queen of Pentacles, stability in your career, in your finances. So itong new destination or new path na tatahakin ninyo, this is going to bring you stability in your career, in your finances, and you will also, magkakaroon ka rin ng mga new set of friends, connections, na kung saan masaya ka, no? Lalo na kung medyo naging magulo yung situation mo with your friends in the past or yung working environment. So, mas maganda itong new opportunity or new direction na tinatahak mo. So, sa money, career, finances, oh my God, ikaw na, Leo. So, this is the Six of Wands. This is success, recognition. So, dito sa career, trabaho, or business na kinalalagyan mo ngayong July, August, September, or itong ipupursue mo, dito ka mas mapapansin, dito ka mare-recognize, dito ka mas bibigyan ng value, and you will feel belong, that you belong in that career, in that job, in that business. So there's definitely success. Kung kayo naman ay nasa entertainment industry, content creation, nasa public, no, yung iyong life, there will be more recognition. May mas maraming followers, mas maraming viewers. You will be celebrated. Sa love life, tingnan natin. The Magician. I feel like ito yung isa sa mina-manifest ninyo, Leo, yung inyong love life. Okay? You are manifesting a person that will understand you. Yung parang may pareho kayo ng wavelength, sabi nga nila. Yung pareho kayo ng mindset. I think you will attract the people na pareho kayo ng thinking. Pwedeng same industry para sa iba sa inyo. Let's see what else. Detachment. So may mga bagay na iiwasan ka or kaibigan na iiwasan ka ngayong third quarter ng 2025 dahil hindi ka na nagre-resonate sa energy niya and you feel like walang patutunguhan yung connection. You have Mars in the 11th house. I think this is related sa misunderstanding or you feel like hindi na talaga kayo okay. So pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may falling out sa friendship. You have Saturn in Gemini in the 3rd house. Yeah, I think may kinalaman to sa mga salitang nasabi. So pwede kasing merong person sa buhay mo na hindi nyo pareho nagustuhan yung sinabi nyo sa isa't isa. And that may be a reason para mag-disconnect yung inyong relationship. Priorities, ayan. The quality of your life is determined by how you spend your time. Make sure your schedule reflects the life you want. Oh, 'di ba? Ang importante raw dito is kung saan mo binibigay yung attention mo, yung energy mo, kung sa priorities mo ba, nagagawa mo ba yung task mo, 'di ba? Kasi syempre, yun ang uunahin, no? Yung priorities para wala kang mga backlogs, wala kang mga maiiwan na trabaho. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.